This is a brand new latch for Toyota Tacoma for the driver side or left side of the door panel. And if your door won't open, maybe because of this reason, I'm gonna show you how the lock works, and I hope this helps. Okay, first thing, we're gonna lock the car. Okay, I'm gonna push this right here, and you can hear the click. See that? And it's locked at this point in time. So your car is locked. It won't open if these things broke off. So the only way, or a couple ways to unlock your car is to, if you're able to, is the focusing on the spring first. See that right there? The shiny little thing. So the goal is to push upward. That way it unlocks the car. So for this demonstration, so I'm not going to use my finger. I'm going to use this to push it forward, or simply lift this right here, and it will push the spring forward or upward. Here we go. Hear that? Okay, let's take a look at it. It's unlocked. Okay, that's locked. Okay, I'm gonna push it. You're gonna see it right here. See that? So let's try another way, and let's lock it again. Okay. There is another way. Either one of these. Again, it's broken. So you're gonna see this little pole right here. All you need to do is to push down or backward to unlock. Here we go. Use your finger or something just to unlock your car. Hear that? Okay, let's try it again. I'm gonna lock it. Okay, it's locked right now. Won't be able to open. So I'm gonna let you see right there. I'm gonna turn it around so you can see that it's unlocked. I'm gonna push it down. See that? There's two ways for you to unlock your car. Okay, so focusing on that spring and this little pole right here, and you will be able to unlock your car. Thank you for watching. Good luck on your project.